How to bag groceries at Kroger. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the ways to bag groceries at Kroger. Now, in order to begin with this procedure, make sure to stick with us right till the end. Now, bagging groceries at Kroger is a straightforward process. First of all, you need to prepare your bag. As the cashier scans your grocery, organize them on the conveyor belt according to their size and weight. Please heavier item first and followed by the lighter and more delicate items. Then you can just follow the bagging etiquette. You just be mindful of the cashier's piece and ensure that you bag your groceries effectively without causing delay for the other customers as well. You can also use separate bag for raw and cooked food if you want, and you can also maximize the space and weight distributions, and you can also consider the temperature sensitive items and all that. Just make sure that you are prepared, and you can also double bag the heavy items or ask for an assistance if you need. By following this steps, you can efficiently and effectively bag your groceries at Kroger that while ensuring that your items are well organized, protected, and easy to transport. So that is how you can bag grocery at Kroger. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.